our morning. So I got the new Pokemon comic, which comes with 2 free fun packs and an eraser. Let me show you the eraser real quick. This one, we've had already the Ultra Ball and the Great Ball. This one is the Master Ball. I'm sure Master Ball UK will like this Morgue. So go get it whilst it's out. I am going to get into the packs. Just going to quickly flick you through the magazine. There, stickers. Quickly flick you through that. I'm going to have a good read of that. But let's get into the packs. I've also got one extra pack, because I bought 2 magazines because I like to keep one for the sealed collection. Right, with no particular way. Oh, hello Gordy. Reverse hollow. With no particular way of doing any tricks or anything like that. Just going to fly through these. And can we get some last pack magic? No.